Okay guys, so welcome to Atlantic Ocean Watch. Today we're going to look at the AV-4053-OH, as we'd say in the military, AV-TAC 4053-TAC OH. Hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, like, comment, share, subscribe. Did I say already? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you. Okay, before I get into doing the rest of this voiceover, first of all, I want you guys to know this watch cost me right around $58-ish total, give or take. And I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, I think it's great, even though we haven't opened the box up yet. Okay, but there are some things about the watch I want to tell you here in a moment. Now, as you can see, I'm twirling the box around because of this particular moment in time. When I took it out of the white box it came in, took the box out of the white box, I didn't realize it was upside down because I'm smart. But you guys watch my channel, you already know I'm smart. Yeah. More like fart. But anyway, so guys, there's the top. Once I figured that part out, I'm a freaking genius. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. By the way, all of the tech information that'll pop up on the screen here and there, that'll be straight off of Amazon, so they get their credit. I think one or two clips might be from AVI-8 itself. So Amazon and AVI-8 will give them credit where credit is due. And I can't remember what that short video clip I ripped off or something I saw online, ripped it off, you know, whatever, so I could whatever use. But it's less than 15 seconds, so it should be fine. But that was credit to whoever credit is due for the flying stuff that you guys saw earlier. So box is open, beautiful box. I love the color of the box, but more importantly, I like this watch. I like the color blue. So when I first saw this watch on Amazon, I was like, I don't know. It's not a chronograph, looks pretty plain, but I like that dial. That cream color really started to grow on me, and as I'm doing this voiceover part, I'm wearing it right now as we speak, doing the voiceover at about 10:37 in the morning on Wednesday, December the 9th, 2020. And yeah, so warranty card inside the box. Also, to give you this really cool cleaning cloth that has the AVI-8 emblem impressed into it. Just very cool, very classy. I did go onto the AVI-8 website, by the way, and I re-enlisted. So I'm a Navy veteran, but I enlisted in their AVI-8 website thing. Pretty simple. You go on there, and they'll send you a confirmation email once you register, so you can find out more things about stuff going on at AVI-8. And I also joined their Instagram, which is pretty cool. By the way, Atlantic Ocean Watch is also Instagram and TikTok. So the watch in this really cool green military tactical, I guess OD, that green pillow is awesome. AVI-8 should get into the pillow making business, because I was squeezing that pillow, as you'll see, and that joker is soft. I was like, damn, if that was full size, that would be an awesome pillow. So, pulling the watch off of the pillow, as you guys can see, there's, of course, there's a Hawker Hurricane behind it. See, there's a thumbs up for the pillow. Telling you guys, AVI-8, if you're watching this, you guys should make pillows. That's a soft pillow for that watch. Make me a full size. That's what AVI-8 should do. Make full size aviation pillows. Maybe I'll do that. But anyway, we're taking all the plastic off for the buckle. It's a bit difficult to get off, but it does come off. And now I'm going to take off the tag off of the strap. The genuine leather strap that I'm wearing right now as we speak while I'm doing this voiceover is comfortable. I was a little bit worried because it seems kind of narrow compared to my shirted belly Aviator, and also my Stradivari Vintage Pilot 7200 TAC 1. Both videos can be found on this channel. And definitely the strap felt kind of narrow compared to that beautiful blue Invicta Russian diver, that unique looking Russian diver I showed you guys recently on the channel. Go back in the videos if you want to see it. But the strap on this watch is, I think, a quality strap. The stitching is great. This is one of those watches that I think is, what's the term? It's not flashy like the Invicta Diver's kind of flashy, and it's more of an understated kind of, I don't know, mellow kind of thing. But a nice strap. It feels good on my wrist. By the way, again, doing this voiceover, I am wearing the watch right now as I speak. Let's take the wrapper off of the timepiece. And by the way, it's very light. I don't know the weight, but like I almost don't even notice it's there. The other watches, the Stradivari's, the Invictas, and some other watches, most of the watches you guys see on my channel, I do know the watch is there. I can feel it on my wrist, but this one here, I can't even hardly feel it. I mean, I know it's there. Obviously, I'm looking at it right now, doing the voiceover, but I can hardly feel it on my wrist. So if you're one who doesn't want a big bulky watch on your wrist, then this watch might be something to think about. There are chrono variants of the Hurricane, the Hawker Hurricane timepiece out there, so you'll be able to find it either on eBay, find some on eBay, different variants, of course Amazon, different variants, and other places such as, you know, the AVI-8's website itself, depending on what country you live in. By the way, Amazon, this model I have right here, they are currently sold out. As you put their watch on my very small wrist. Normally I have to go to the last hole on the straps to make it fit my tiny wrist, or put another hole into the strap with many of my watches. This particular timepiece, I'm actually using the second from the last hole once I finally got it adjusted, which I'm wearing right now, and not using the very tiniest setting. So if your wrists are even smaller than my little skinny chicken wrists, then this watch will be great for you. Again, this cream color, not my favorite color of a dial. However, it's grown on me. There is, beside my Stradivari Aviator, kind of give you guys an idea of the size comparisons, the differences a little bit, so you kind of have a clue. But the AVI-8 feels lighter. I'm picking up slightly lighter than the Stradivari. The Stradivari is not heavy at all, by the way. But it is lighter than the Stradivari. I can feel it. And of course, it's definitely louder than the Vintage Pilot 7200 TAC 1, which is now on my wrist, so you guys can see a size comparison. Love the Stradivari timepieces, both of them. Here's the loom. Bam! So the numbers on this particular model, the AV TAC 4053 TAC OH, there are OA models I know, and other little, you know, available chronograph versions available, but this is a plain old just time and date is all this is. Just pull the crown out, set the time, set the date. Pretty simple. But overall, I'll give this watch 5 clocks. I'm pleased with it. It's lightweight. I think it's classy. I think it's a watch you can wear whether you're at an aviation museum, like you guys will see in a minute, or you're at a business meeting, or you're at the beach. This is a really cool, classy watch. And for aviation nerds or watch nerds like myself or many of you guys, this will be something that they will notice. There's my Stradivari's right there on the bottom there, and of course the AVI-8 there on the top. And here's the Military Aviation Museum. A fitting place once again to show off another aviation watch. There's a PBY Catalina behind. There's the Hawker right there, my friends. Hawker Hurricane, live and in the flesh. This is the Military Aviation Museum in the PUNGO section of Virginia Beach, Virginia. I'm so lucky to live here. We got all kinds of stuff here. Bring your kids to this museum. They have nothing to do with my videos, but I am a year-long member of the museum, and it's a great place. I'm telling you, it's a great place. Take your kids there, especially if you like airplanes. They will love it there. Take them. There's a Spitfire. AVI-8 does have a Spitfire watches, and there's, of course, you can kind of see a glimpse of a P-51 Delta, P-51D Mustang variant behind the Spitfire there. AVI-8 also has a Mustang watch as well, which I'll try to acquire the Spitfire AVI-8 watches in the future, and of course the P-51 Delta. There's Spitfire P-51 Delta right there. But guys, these watches are great. Again, I only paid, you know, about 56, 57, 58 or so dollars for it. eBay right now, since Amazon's out of the watch, you can find those on eBay from around $95 to about $108, plus about $8 or $9 of shipping. Amazon's currently sold out, and the AVI-8 website doesn't even have this timepiece on it, which means it's probably a discontinued model, but it's still out in circulation, so you can still find them, and I'm pretty sure that Amazon will probably try to replenish them when they can. Anyway, guys, great watch. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching Atlantic Ocean Watch on YouTube. Please comment, share, like, subscribe, comment, share, like, subscribe, help my channel grow. And if you want to help financially support the channel, there will be financial support links in the description. This is a great watch, and it's an awesome museum. Please go to the Military Aviation Museum in the PUNGO section of Virginia Beach, Virginia. They are not sponsoring this video, but they are awesome, and I am a year-long member of this museum. If you like planes, this is the place to go. And one more side note, the owner of this place, the Aviation Museum, owns, to my knowledge, an ME-262. Yeah. Thank you for watching Atlantic Ocean Watch on YouTube. See ya.